Hey, welcome to another installment of No Excuses Marketing. This is a video series where I show that no matter what it is you're promoting, you can always find time to create content to promote it. All right. So right now, I'm doing a little Sunday cardio on a stationary bike, and I'm listening to a great book for anybody who is new to network marketing. All right. Now, actually, listened to this book a couple years ago, and I'm actually re-listening to it because it's really that good. And the name of the book is called Go for No, the Network Marketing Edition, because there's original Go for No, and then there's the Network Marketing Edition. That's the one that I recommend. This book is by a guy named Richard Fenton, a lady named Andrea Waltz, and Ray Higdon. If you know anything about Ray Higdon, he's like a super successful network marketer. All right, so this book pretty much, it teaches you how to accept no, right? It teaches you how to basically, when you hear no, you feel okay, right? It's all good to hear no's, and it's a great book for newcomers to get their mind right? Like it really changes the way you look at rejection. It changes the way you feel about hearing the word no, right? So if you are new to network marketing, you might want to check this out, because this book could actually be that little shift that you need to get you motivated to be successful in whatever network marketing opportunity that you are involved with. Now, I'm all about live good, all right? Now, I'm involved with a couple network marketing opportunities, but my primary business that I am building, that I rock with, is Live Good. And the cool thing about Live Good is a lot of the principles that are taught in Go for No, it kind of is looking at it from the old school perspective of network marketing. Live Good is such a easier network marketing opportunity to get involved with. It's easier to promote. You really don't even have to do presentations like old school network marketing companies tell you to do, right? But Go for No is definitely dope just for the mindset, right? It will help you with your mindset getting involved with network marketing. All right, so I will put a link in the description for Go for No. You can get it on Audible or Amazon, or you could even buy the Kindle version. I like the audio books, you know what I'm saying? That's just how I get down. But yeah, really dope book. All right, so if you are currently looking for a network marketing opportunity that you can get involved with, you definitely want to check out Live Good. All right, because Live Good is popping. All right, so I will put a link in the description for Live Good as well, and maybe I'll see you on the team.